Good afternoon to each of you. Today, I will show you around my kitchen and dining area. Please stay tuned. And while you're here, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, I have two countertops that I have not yet done. I want to do them while I do the tour of the kitchen. So we're going to fill this corner, and we have this copper to bring over here in this corner. We already have our picture, and it has greens and purples, a little pink in it to blend in with everything else. And then this tray will house the majority of the other things here. We're going to start with, here's our decoration for Easter. I'm going to pull it toward me just a little. Tea kettle. There. And here's our cup and saucer to put on this tray. If you want some tea, it's already there. So we'll push this in place. And then the next thing, I want to show you all, I redid my vase, blue and white. It cleaned up nicely. Here on the base of it. And then I did a top that didn't come with it. And it has the little bird on it. And I put the white here. And if I closed it, this is how it would look. Let me raise it up just a little. But I'm going to take the top off. Push this over some here. And then my cutting board, I'll turn it up on the side that I do not use. And I have this vanilla. It's not pure vanilla, but it has some vanilla in it. Candle. This rabbit that I did in the DIY. And here's the top. We're going to sit the top right here. And I'll bring it back so you get a chance to see all of it as soon as I show this area. The deer, okay, he finally wants to sit up. And as you know, I like towels, so I'm just going to put that towel there. And then to complete this side, here's just a small amount of flowers. I just wanted to be a touch of flowers there to blend in with the other white flowers. So here is this side. And the last countertop, we're going to put this tree down. It was white. I changed it to gold. And it's a Lazy Susan. I'm going to sit it here. Okay. Then we're going to bring the white vase. And fill with the same flowers that we just saw on the other cam. And this to me, after I show you, is so elegant. And then this bell has the same cream colors as the flowers. And then a gold bow on it. And here we have a picture to bring out the green in the flowers. And on this side, we have a green clock that we're going to sit here. And in the center, we'll put the little rabbit there. There's a certain way they sit, and I have to keep turning it until it wants to sit the way it wants to sit. Oh my goodness, isn't that something? And here is how this area is looking. And you'll see the greenery in the flowers, the cream or off-white, and then the solid white vase. And look how the bell with the bow, the green clock, and the brown, look at the brown in the flower, all cohesive. And now I'll show you the entire kitchen and dining area. First, I want to show you the green and white here. I put this up. This will be changing to 2 seasonal colors as soon as I can find the colors that I am looking for. And then you've already seen the dining room area. And let's just put this plate back over here. Okay. From this angle, you can see it. It's breezy, not too fussy. Now, I'm going to have a separate video on over here, but it's part of the dining area, so I will show that video. It's probably going to be another week or so before I get to that. They're all blue and white rugs in here. And then on yesterday, this is what you've already seen. So we're going to the things that you've already seen to complete the tour, except for one more thing, and I'll show that last. Everything is cohesive. And when we decorate, you could either make it cohesive or make each room cohesive. But if you want the entire home to be inclusive of each other, if your primary color is blue, then you want blue throughout the home. But if you just want it for one particular area, then use that. It's up to you. And come on over and get a piece of vanilla pound cake. When I bake one, I will show that. This came from the local grocery for under $5. Okay, here we're back over in the area where we just did that decorate. And then the stove, the same thing I have is my little teapot, or some type of teapot would sit there for now. I hadn't found it. And then my copper spoon rest. And you've already seen my coffee area. Only thing I changed about that is put this little fella over here to bring a little Easter, I suppose, over this way. And now let's go. I changed this around on yesterday. I don't bake every day, but my adult children gave me this mixer. So I'm leaving it out. This black, green, and a little violet base here. When I saw it, I didn't know what I was going to do with it, but I liked the shape and that it had a top. And now I'm glad I purchased it. It'll blend in with that black, and then of course the black refrigerator and the stove. And here is the base I made the other day. And what you see on the top stays up there. I have not changed it. And again, I like towers, so I leave them out. That's just for my viewing pleasure. I just like towers, and I keep them out. And I have a flower here at the sink, and then a blue bowl. I just started keeping this in. Usually keep it over that way. And then I bought this from a thrift store years ago, and I made it into my soap dish, liquid dish. This ends the tour of my kitchen and dining area. The area to your left, that's where I set my office at. And one day I'll do that. But for now, the kitchen, dining area, just simple, warm and inviting. Offer someone a piece of cake, or just have a seat and rest. These times are uneasy for everybody in some way or other. But like I do, I trust in the Lord. And I try very hard not to lean on my own understanding. Thank you for watching. Until the next video, Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Blessings.